Yeah. Oh, hello.
Had a lot of them today. Red sec. Yes, sir!
Blam it, 1 2 1 2, yeah. Sorry.
This one's for the beat beans and fucking G's. This one's for the street team that's busting teeth. This one's for the deets, peas and cutting trees. This one's for the street sweepers touching keys. Kodak moment, let's get a pic of it. On that roll, that's H, get a trim in it. On back rolls, don't flex, just begin it. Yo, that's dead, get rid of it. Can't find you on the beats no more, and can't see man in the streets no more, and can't find you on no sold out bro. HTTP error 404. Xbox, I don't play no more. PC Master Race, say no more. Killer instinct, instinctive killer. When you see me with Jago sword, grade sold out, need to be quicker. Bass so now, tints a bit dimmer. Hey, slow down, speed's a big killer. Bass so loud, shake the wing mirror. Wasted peas on expensive sheets on my bed, cause I sleep when I'm dead.
I was watching cars flicker past my right side. A nice night, but it's cheap, so I might try. The right time wasn't sitting in my right mind, so I thought people started to scribble till bright lights. Blind the lies and the stories, the Knickerbocker glories. I saw the thoughtful forms that before me. It's raw, think the quiet door, what I saw. Am I more distraught, open the cause before it gets gory? For me, and seek my very own Juliet. Out the window as the wind blows, but rumours get a little bigger as they flicker to the ear, slipping near to a snigger, gripping everything they hear. We fear them such. Think I said a little too much. From love to lust in a heartbeat, the riddle to bust. This on us.
Turn off the news feed. I got 2 sheets for that Buddha. Baby, you too clean. She tryna move peaceful like Buddha. And I don't wanna lose sleep, but the tune keep me up through the night. So you and me, like, let's go deep, we can scuba dive. Should've called sooner, but there's motive, let's Uber drive, like through the night. Wherever we don't answer, feds a rope throw on me. Really think you got a hold of me, I've got a hold of you, and I'm super high.